Hi, welcome to Treasure Coach Apps Elite program. My name is Maxim Vysochansky and I'm really very excited to present you this super crazy training. And in this particular video I want to show you more in details what is exactly Treasure Coach Apps Elite and what you will find inside. The main idea of this program is how to create games for iPhone and Android without super crazy technical skills, and most important, how to market them successfully. And this system is so unique that even you can create your games applications at your PC computer. Well, nearly 1 year ago I decided to jump to iPhone game business with my first iPhone game, and my first game was Angry Tank. I spent nearly like $3,000 on development of it, and it took me almost 2 months to launch it in iStore. And even I got a record top 50 family game application. I made so many mistakes with that game. That is why I continue to research and try to find a way to create game applications with very little cost and time frame. And yes, I found it. That is why I launched my second game, Armageddon 2012. And just look at these numbers. It took me nearly 2 weeks to launch it and only like $300. Yes, $300 only. But that was only the beginning, because this system which I found is so easy to use that even you and I can create games without those crazy super technical skills. That is why I created my third game, Crazy Lines, and yes, I did it by myself. I spent like 3 days only to create it and $30 only. So as you can see, this system does really work. Just one more thing I need to mention here. With this system you can also publish your games for iPad, Mac computer and Android almost within a couple of minutes. It's really very easy to transform your game application to all those 3 great platforms. And again, you don't need to have those super crazy technical skills for creating your games. Actually, you can create your games at your PC with this system. And now you can even clone top games from iStore. I believe that you have a question, why to clone top games? The answer is very simple. Millions of buyers are hungry. That is why I created this Treasure Coach Apps Elite program, which came live in February 2012, and at that time it was open only for 1 week to join and only for 20 members only. Just want to remind you that Treasure Coach Apps Elite program is 5 weeks of super underground training with many videos and cool stuff inside. Actually, this is like my complete backend system for apps. This is like everything what I did during this last 12 months in apps business. And if you are going to order full version, then during the first week I'm going to show you how to make iPhone and Android games without programming skills for iPhone, iPad, Android and Mac computer. Also you will get sound and music collections for creating your games. This is like 3 gigabytes. Yes, can you imagine 3 gigabytes of massive amount of music and sound files for creating game apps. Also you will get admin panel, which I used inside Angry Tank for sending push notification and other stuff. So this is like real value, minimum like $1,000. During the second week you will get source code of super top games like Angry Birds, Fruit Ninja, Doodle Jump and my games as well, Angry Tank, Armageddon 2012 and Crazy Lines. This is crazy because it took me like 6 months to get all those games and all those knowledges and information. And now you can twist around and make clone games without any limits. So this is like real value of $3,000. Week number 3. You'll get some special tools from me for making your games even better. This is like tools icon maker that you can make very nice and professional icons for your games. Combining tool for combining games into one, like I did with Armageddon 2012. Also iPad tool for making your game for iPad within couple minutes. This is like real value of $1,000. Week number 4. This is light marketing training. You will learn how to send correctly push notification to very big user base, for example like 100,000 members, because it is not so easy as it looks. For example, you can have big problems with your hosting provider with that. How to communicate offline with users. Really many users don't have Wi-Fi access and simply don't see your online push notifications. Also, I will show you what title to use in iStore and why. And lastly, you will learn secrets behind one company with 1 million downloads which is using the same method for making games. So real value again, like $1,000. And last week, this is underground marketing. You will learn secrets behind Angry Birds publishing. Because have you ever wondered why Angry Birds became so famous and popular? Finally I figured out that 1 week ago, and that this information is so secret that even my wife doesn't know about this secret. Next, where to get super targeted traffic to your apps for very super cheap price like 10 cents per download. Where to get massive positive reviews for your apps. And I'm going to cover issues with Android publishing. And again, real value is nearly $1,000. So in total, as you can see, if we combine all those weeks and values, total real value it will be nearly like $7,000. This is like all you need for your game apps business. And so the bottom line is that only one-time investment of $47. Or you can even order light version without those files and templates from me for $17 only. So alright, let's rock and roll here and start making games applications. Thanks for watching this video and see you inside of Treasure Coach Apps Elite. Bye.